This isn't just a classic car, it's a legend. The 1983 Oldsmobile Cutlass Hurst / Olds 15th Anniversary Edition, one of the rarest Hurst / Olds ever made, with a pristine ebony black exterior, a rare sand gray interior, and the kind of power and style that stops traffic everywhere it goes. And today, you're about to see why collectors are absolutely obsessed with this one-of-a-kind masterpiece. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love iconic American muscle, rare classics, and cars that command attention, you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 1983 Oldsmobile Cutlass Hurst / Olds 15th Anniversary Edition, a car that doesn't just turn heads, it stops hearts. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss the classics and collector cars we feature here. Now, let's talk about why this isn't just any Cutlass. This is the Hurst / Olds, a collaboration that celebrated 15 years of performance, style, and that unmistakable Hurst pedigree. These cars were designed to offer more than just looks. They were meant to perform, impress, and provide a driving experience unlike anything else of the era. And this particular model, it's as clean, as complete, and as rare as they come. Starting with the engine, this beauty comes upgraded with a 350 cubic inch V8. Back in 1983, this engine was a powerhouse, and even today it provides that perfect combination of raw muscle and smooth cruising power. The 4-speed automatic TH2004R transmission paired with this engine delivers effortless shifts. But don't be fooled, this car still has a heart of a performance machine, especially with the legendary lightning rod shifters that give it that Hurst signature feel. Shifting this car feels like you're controlling history itself, a tactile connection to a golden era of American muscle. Let's talk about the exterior, because this Hurst / Olds looks every bit as aggressive and elegant as it drives. The ebony black paint is classic, glossy, and pristine, a color that exudes sophistication and power simultaneously. Paired with the factory chrome super stock 215-inch wheels, this car has presence. It sits just right, aggressive yet refined, perfect for a car that bridges street performance and timeless design. The chrome accents, the body lines, the subtle Hurst badging, it all comes together to say this is special. Step inside and you're greeted with a rare sand gray interior that's both understated and luxurious. These interiors weren't just functional, they were designed to make you feel like you were in something extraordinary. Comfortable bucket seats cradle you while the cabin wraps around you in style. Even decades later, the air conditioning blows cold and the seats feel as inviting as they did the day they rolled off the line. And yes, the rebuilt factory AM/FM/cassette radio with an added AU export means you can still enjoy your modern playlists while soaking in the classic vibe. It's a perfect blend of vintage, authenticity, and modern convenience. Performance isn't just about engine specs. This car was designed to handle. With power front disc brakes, you get confident stopping power that complements its acceleration. And thanks to Hurst's meticulous attention to detail, the driving dynamics feel intuitive and connected. It's a car that wants to be driven, and every curve, every turn, every shift feels intentional. But here's what really sets the Hurst / Olds apart: its heritage. These were limited production cars celebrating 15 years of Hurst and Oldsmobile collaboration. Every element, from the shifters to the badges to the wheel design, was meant to honor that legacy. Driving one is like holding a piece of automotive history in your hands, an experience, a story, a statement. Now let's talk value, because this isn't just a car for enthusiasts, it's a collector's gem. With its condition, rarity, and originality, this Hurst / Olds commands attention not just on the road, but in the market. Right now, a car like this is listed at around $41,995 to $42,000, which is an incredible investment considering its historical significance and its pristine state. Cars like this don't just retain value, they appreciate over time, becoming modern classics in their own right. And if you're wondering about practicality, this car surprises you. It's not just a showpiece, it's a daily driver in the best sense. Comfortable, reliable, and fully equipped for cruising, it's the kind of car that makes every drive a cinematic experience. Imagine rolling down a highway with the sun glinting off that ebony black paint, the Hurst shifters clicking satisfyingly, the engine humming perfectly, and every head turning as you pass. That's not imagination, it's reality with this Hurst/Olds. This car is more than metal and paint, it's a time capsule. It captures the essence of early 80s muscle, the innovation of Hurst performance, and the timeless design sensibilities of Oldsmobile. From its engine to its interior, from its exterior lines to its driving feel, it's a complete package, and for collectors or enthusiasts, it's a rare opportunity to own something truly special. So whether you're a seasoned collector, a fan of American muscle, or just someone who appreciates craftsmanship and history, the 1983 Oldsmobile Cutlass Hurst/Olds 15th Anniversary Edition is a car that will leave you speechless. It's elegant, it's powerful, and it's rare, a combination that defines everything we love about classic cars. If you want to see more rare classics, deep dives into iconic muscle, and luxury cars that make your jaw drop, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join the family. Because cars like this don't come around often, and when they do, you want to see every detail, every story, and every driving moment. Thanks for watching, and remember, classic cars aren't just transportation, they're experiences, memories, and pieces of history that you get to own and drive. And this Hurst/Olds, it's the pinnacle of all three.